Hi, this is Pradeep Pradhan from InfoEdge Capital Private Limited. I am a stock market analyst. So today I will be giving you around 20 to 30 companies which will be giving you around 20 to 30% returns within 30 working days. Within 1 month you can gain up to 30% returns. Note, this is for training purpose and investment in stock market is subject to market risk. Please note down the companies which can give you around 20 to 30% of returns in 30 working days. Adani Green Energy, it is into energy sector. About India, it is into healthcare sector. Trend Limited, it is into retail sector. HDFC AMC, it is into financial sector. ICICI Securities, it is into financial sector. AU Small Financial Bank, it is into financial sector. Nippon Limited, it is into financial sector. Gujarat Gas, it is into utility sector. Mass Financial Services, it is into basic material. Then Berger Paint, it is into basic material. Relaxo Footwear, it is into customer. Deepak Nitrate, it is into basic material. Orient Electrical, consumer material. Then Bharti Airtel Technology. Then Tata Consumer Product, it is into consumer staple. Then Bharat Rasayan, it is into basic material. Finer Organic Indus, basic material. JK Cement, basic material. Amber Enterprises, consumer product. Aavas Financials, financial company. Timken India Limited, capital equipment. Dixon Technologies, consumer product. So these are the few companies which can give you around 20 to 30% returns within this 30 working days. This is our latest video. Okay, so today I will explain you our past, what happened and how we will be why we are predicting that these all companies can give you good returns. So you can have a basic knowledge about the market since 1 year. So what happened during last financial year to this financial year. So you can have a note on that. So based on that parameter only, we are giving you this prediction. So basically when it happened last financial year, April. So the merger between Bank of Baroda, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank happened in April 2019. May Cyclone Fani hits Odisha. NDA gets majority in Lok Sabha election. Modi takes oath as PM for the second term and Nirmala Sitharaman appointed as FM. June 2019, RBI cuts rate by 25 BPS to 5.75%. Then July, FM Nirmala Sitharaman first budget of Modi 2.0. August, Article 370 came into picture. September, FM introduced rupees 10,000 crore special window for affordable housing. Then October 2019, RBI cut rate by 25 BPS to 5.15%. Government decides to merge MTNL and BSNL. Then November 2019, Nifty hits 12,000 for the first time. Then December 2019, industrial production for October reported at 3.8%. Then January 2020, India's service PMI for December was at a 5-month high 53.3. Then February, budget day, manufacturing FMI for January was 55.3. Then March, RBI suspends Yes Bank board. So these are the few parameters. Based on this parameter, we decide that how the market will be predicting and how the companies will be doing good. Basically, like you will be knowing that pharmaceutical and fertilizer company will be the best company to invest in these times. So these are the few company where you can invest, and if you have any query and you need some stock market tips or advice where to invest, which companies demat account you should open, so you can contact us. My name is Pradeep Pradhan. I am a stock analyst. My contact number is 9966384777. I am from InfoEdge Capital Private Limited. Thank you very much.